Hello everyone and welcome to French Tax Online. My name is Géraud and I'm a French chartered accountant. Today we're delving into the intricate world of taxation in France with a specific focus on your very first income tax declaration. Before we dive into the topic, it's crucial to remember one thing. Income tax return in France is a self-reporting process. In other words, it's up to you to determine whether you need to file a tax return or not. The French tax office won't send you a reminder. The tax residence concept. Understanding your tax residence status in France is crucial because it determines whether you need to declare your income in this country and which income to report. We'll delve into this topic in detail in an upcoming video, so be sure to stay tuned. Residents or non-residents. In France, whether you're a tax resident or a non-tax resident, everyone may be required to file an income tax return. But the rules vary depending on your status. Residents must declare all their worldwide income, whether earned in France or abroad. Non-residents, on the other hand, only need to report their income from French sources. Of course, if you are a non-resident who owns a property in France without generating income from it, you are not obligated to file a French tax return. The fiscal household concept. A fiscal household, foyer fiscal in French, includes all individuals living under the same roof and subject to common taxation. This can encompass married couples, registered partners with a tax, and dependent children up to 25 years of age for students. Members of the fiscal household report their income on the same declaration, which is used to calculate the overall tax liability. This can lead to potential tax reduction for working individuals when the fiscal household includes individuals who are not in the workforce. The French tax year. The French fiscal year aligns with the calendar year running from January 1st to December 31st. Please note that if you became a French tax resident on a date different from January 1st, you'll need to declare your worldwide income from that date until December 31st. Your very first income tax return, your initial income tax declaration, must be submitted in paper form between late April and early June, depending on your department. We strongly recommend sending it by registered mail or with a proof of delivery to ensure you have evidence of submission. Once you've submitted your declaration, you will receive a tax assessment, avis d'imposition in French, usually between August and October. This notice will detail the amount of tax you owe and will also include your TIN, tax identification number, which is essential for all your future interaction with the tax authorities. The withholding tax system. The withholding tax system, prélèvement à la source, is a method by which income tax is partially or completely paid throughout the year, similar to the PAYE system in the UK. We are preparing a dedicated video on this topic, so stay tuned. When do you pay your income tax? In France, income tax is payable from September to December in 4 separate payments. If there is any balance due, additional withholding tax payments may apply, but we will cover this in our video specifically dedicated to the prélèvement à la source. You now have all the information you need to understand your first income tax declaration in France works. Feel free to contact us for more information or if you need assistance with completing your own declaration. If you found this content valuable and wish to stay informed about the latest tips, guidance, and perspective on living and thriving in France, we invite you to become a subscriber. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay in the loop with our upcoming videos designed to assist you in mastering the intricacies of life in France. Thank you very much.